Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn the concept of generic programming using Typescript. Now, what is generic programming? Generic programming is a way of writing a code that will work for different data types. Means once we write a code, then on the basis of data type which we provide at runtime, the output change. We can understand in another way that we write a code for multiple data types. So how we can do this type of programming in Typescript, that is the point to be understand in this video. So let us start one by one. First we say generic programming using function. Generic programming using functions. So we declare here function. Function we can declare by two way, by arrow function or simple function. So we have a function here. Suppose I say function name is addition. Now I specify the num1 of number type, then num2 of number type and return value of number type, for example like this. Now we return num1 plus num2. That is a normal way of writing a function. But for generic type, we specify here that we have a data type S and T. Remember that this S and T may be any alphabet which you want to give, but we are just for understanding we are giving S and T. And here in place of number, we can specify S, and here we can specify T, and here we use it like this because we want to return any. The problem is here because we are not checking a data type and we are directly calculating this, but not possible because we have to write a different code for different data type. So for example, I say if type of S means num1 equal to number. If it is a number, and type of num2 equal to number. So that means it is a number. So just we cut it and paste here. It will work for number. If it is not a number, it is a string, then I say num1 plus and little bit of a space, and then I say num2. Remember that we are checking data type. If there is a number, then normal number we are doing, otherwise we are doing a concatenation of a string. Now just I try to call it console.log, and here I say sum of two number, then we can call addition and we can pass number here. This is the one way. Second, we can pass again and I say concatenation of a string equal to, again I call the same function, and here I pass Dr. Vipin, and second parameter I pass classes. You see, I save it and now I run the Typescript. So generic type of watch mode, and then I open different command prompt, and here I use node to run generic programming. You see the sum of two number is 68 and sum of this strings concatenation is this. So you see that we have here the generic data type. On the basis of number we do this calculation, on the basis of a string we do this calculation. We can match other data type also if required, like boolean we want to match some other data type. You can do all these things, just we have to match it here. So this is the way to use in a function. Now we have to use for an interface. So I just make it comment, this function I make it comment. Now I use a function interface first, and here I give the interface as a values, and here I specify s and t, and here I say num1 to s and num2 to t, like this we specify here. Now I create a function, I say function, again I say addition, and here I pass s and t, but as a parameter I pass v as a value, and this value having s and t, like this. So you see that we have this syntax because we are passing an interface here and we pass here. Now same code we just write here, that type of. So I copy this and paste here. So I just uncomment this. You see that we have this, but in place of this we say v dot num1, in place of this we say v dot v2 because it's a object now. Here also I say v dot num1, then v dot num2. Similarly we say v dot num1 and we say v dot num2. So I save this, and you will see that with the help of interface also we have a same result, but here we have to pass as a object. So I say num1 is this and num2 is this, like that. Same here, we say num1 is this and num2 is this, and we pass in a object. Save this, and you will see the old object, old output is there, and we have a new output is similar to this. Same output we have, no change, with the help of function and with the help of interface as a parameter to the function. So we understand how we can use generic programming for function, how we can use generic programming for interfaces. Now we see how we can make generic programming in classes. So I comment this also. Now I create a class. So I say calculation, class name, here I pass s and t, and here in a class what I do, I just create a constructor, and in this constructor I say public num1 of s type, then public num2 of t type, like that. We just create a instance variable also, constructor also, and we create a function. I say get calculation, and here the same code I need to check. So copy, paste, and just uncomment this. So here in place of v I need to use this, here in place of v I need to use this again also. So control shift or L, all the v together we select and remove this, and I specify this here like this. So save it. Now I create the object of this. I say const, and I say cal equal to new calculation, and I pass here the value integer, and then I call it cal dot addition, and no need to pass any parameter right now. So save this, and we have get calculation, not addition function. So get calculation like this. Now I create one more object. I say const cal1 equal to new calculation, and here I pass the value Dr. Vipin, and here I pass classes of string type. Same in place of this I need to call with object, so I say cal1 dot get calculation, save this, and you see that we will have a same output here, same output, same type of output we have here also. So like this way we can use generic programming for classes. And the last one, we can also use the type also. For example, if I say type and I say info of t type equal to, and I say value of t type, like that we declare. So we may create a object or constant. I say value of info type, and here I pass value of 22, like that, and here I specify number. You see, so we have a redeclaration of problem of this. So we can use export the bracket like this, curly brackets. Now we done this, you see we have the value, and we pass here, and we can display console.log value we can display here. Save this, and you will have the value this. Otherwise we can use value.value because it's an object type, and you see that we have the value. So like this way we can use generic programming for type, for classes, for methods with interfaces, and for normal methods or functions. So like that way we can do your generic programming in Typescript. I think you understand now what is generic programming and how we can implement generic programming using Typescript. If really you learn something from this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.